Hello students, today we are learn about the nitric acid and its formula. Nitric acid HN3. In nitric acid having one hydrogen, one nitrogen and 3 oxygen present. Now structure of nitric acid. First one, structure of nitric acid. In this nitric acid, nitrogen as a central element and valency of nitrogen 5 we are using. One, two, three, four, 5. It is a structure of nitric acid. It is a structure of nitric acid. Now molecular weight of nitric acid: hydrogen 1, nitrogen 14 and oxygen 16 atomic masses, but there are total 3 oxygen, therefore 16 3s are 48. Then addition all this we get 63. It is a molecular weight or molecular mass, molar mass of nitric acid HN3. Molar mass of nitric acid is 63. This nitric acid also known as aqua fortis. Aqua fortis means strong water, because this nitric acid react with nearly all metals. It also even dissolve silver, but it do not dissolve noble metal like platinum and gold. We already discussed in last video, sulfuric acid is a king of chemical. Now nitric acid is known as a queen of chemical. Queen of chemical. It is also known as a aqua fortis because it dissolve all or react with all the metals, nearly all the metals. Now properties of nitric acid. Now color. It is a colorless liquid when it is a 98% concentrated, but when 68% means commercial nitric acid is yellowish brown in color. And its nature: the bottle containing nitric acid always to be stopper, because it react with air, and fumes come out. And its taste, it is a acidic, therefore sour taste. And solubility of nitric acid. Concentrated nitric acid when dissolved in water, then it is a example of strong electrolyte. It is a completely ionized, means it is soluble in water all proportion. Now laboratory method preparation of nitric acid. Suppose this is a glass retort. In this concentrates the sulfuric acid and sodium nitrate or potassium nitrate. Sodium nitrate means NaNO3 or potassium nitrate means KNO3. Anyone we can use in the ratio of 50-50% or mixture of. When it heated about 180 degrees Celsius, 190 degrees Celsius, means it is a distillation process when it react with each other to give a nitric acid, to give a nitric acid. In this distillation means when we heated, then it vaporize by using cooling water, then these gases again condense, it convert into liquid, then we get liquid nitric acid. It is a conversion of non volatile acid means sulfuric acid, it convert into volatile acid means nitric acid. Now reaction potassium nitrate react with sulfuric acid below 200 degree Celsius. NH3 combined with hydrogen, one hydrogen means it gives volatile acid nitric acid, and K attached with HSO4, then it gives salt potassium hydrogen sulfate and nitric acid HN3. Same kind of another reaction when sodium nitrate react with sulfuric acid below 200 degree Celsius means about 180 degree Celsius, it gives sodium hydrogen sulfate. This is again another method we use as a sodium nitrate or potassium nitrate. When it reacts with sulfuric acid, it gives nitric acid. Now collection of nitric acid. In distillation process, the vapors of nitric acid are condensed to light yellow liquid by chilling the reservoir with cold water. Now students, you know about the pure acid is colorless, but acid obtained in the laboratory is slightly yellow. This nitric acid obtained in laboratory is slightly yellow. This yellow color due to presence of or dissolution of reddish brown color nitrogen dioxide gas. Reddish brown color nitrogen dioxide gas in acid. This gas is produced due to thermal decomposition of portion of nitric acid. This gas produced by the thermal decomposition of portion of nitric acid. Now, when 4 molecules of nitric acid decompose, it gives nitrogen dioxide, oxygen and 2 times water. Now yellow color is of the acid removed by dry air or carbon dioxide is bubble through yellow nitric acid. When we use dry air or carbon dioxide is bubble through the nitric acid, yellow nitric acid. Later it turn colorless. We get the colorless nitric acid. For preparation of nitric acid, we are use all glass apparatus because nitric acid also attack rubber and cork. So we are using glass apparatus for preparation of nitric acid. Now chemical properties of nitric acid. Now pure nitric acid is unstable to heat or sunlight. It decomposes, it converts into yellow color. Pure acid, it is in the form of colorless when it react with sunlight or heat, it become yellow in color, mostly in laboratory. Nitric acid, when in the presence of sunlight, it decomposes even at room temperature. When we store nitric acid, the bottle turn yellow. This color is due to dissolved nitrogen dioxide in nitric acid. This color due to dissolved nitrogen dioxide in nitric acid. Now another property is acidic property of nitric acid. Nitric acid is strong monobasic acid. Strong monobasic acid. When it dissolves in water, it produces H plus ion and NO3 minus ion. NO3 means nitrate ion. This nitric acid, it is a completely ionized. Therefore, it is a good conductor of electricity. When solution of nitric acid means dilute nitric acid. Now acidic character, check by through litmus paper. When we use blue litmus paper, it turn red. Blue litmus paper turn into red. When we use methyl orange, the solution of dilute nitric acid gives pink color. It gives pink color. When in nitric acid addition of phenolphthalein indicator, the solution becomes same, colorless. It do not convert into pink color. It do not convert into pink color. Now it is also react with alkali. Alkali means base. When acid react with base to give salt plus water, this is a neutralization reaction. When nitric acid react with alkalis, it gives salt plus water. Now oxidizing properties of nitric acid. Nitric acid acts as a strong oxidizing agent. Due to Nason oxygen. Suppose it react with non-metal like carbon, it react with sulfur and it react with phosphorus. All are non-metals. This non-metal react with sulfuric acid. In this reaction, we get nitrogen dioxide. We get nitrogen dioxide and others product. When carbon react with nitric acid, carbon react with nitric acid. Nitric acid as a 4 times. Then we get 4 times NO2, nitrogen dioxide. In this formation, carbon react with oxygen, means oxidation takes place, reaction. So formation of carbon dioxide and water as a byproduct. When carbon react with sulfuric acid, it gives carbon dioxide and 4 times nitrogen dioxide and 2 times water. 2 times water. Now second reaction, when sulfur react with nitric acid, it also gives nitrogen dioxide as a 6 times. So we use as a nitric acid as a 6 times. In this reaction, sulfur react with nitric acid to give sulfuric acid with 6 times nitrogen dioxide and 2 times water. Now when white phosphorus P4 react with nitric acid, white phosphorus P4 react with nitric acid. It gives nitrogen dioxide as a 20 times. So we use as a nitric acid 20 times. Then when phosphorus react with nitric acid, it also gives the phosphoric acid H3PO4. It gives also H3PO4 as a 4 times. In this reaction we get when white phosphorus means phosphorus P4 react with nitric acid as a 20 times 20 molecules, it gives 4 times phosphoric acid, 20 times nitrogen dioxide and 4 times what as a water molecules byproduct. Thank you.